Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to prevent this code from starting at the boot up. Okay, from the startup. For example, let's say you boot your PC, okay, and immediately this code pops up. So how can we prevent that? How can we disable that? All right, so you have to go to open this code on your PC, then click settings, then scroll down until you see Windows settings, and right here, okay, system startup behavior. So all you gotta do is to disable this. All right, and if you'd like to minimize to start it as minimized, but nope, I don't want that neither. So I want it just, I'm just gonna disable this, so the next time I restart my PC, or whenever I shut down the PC and the next time I reboot the PC, this code will not open. Alright, so if you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.